Okay, you guys, here's another little short segment. I'm not going to hold you too long. So, when you have a foyer, if you have one of those, most of us have some form of one when we walk into our houses or apartments. Listen, get down at least once a month. Everybody's not going to do this once a week, right? Everybody doesn't have that time, especially if you have toddlers or fur babies, at least more than one, right? Take these areas, get a rag, put some gloves on. I don't fool with gloves all the time. I just don't think about it. But get some gloves. I'm sorry, yes. Get some gloves and wipe them off. Just wipe the area off, right? Why? Because it's gonna keep down dust. It's gonna keep down dust. I'm sorry, the trash man is outside, and my dog, she doesn't like that noise. So anyway, get you a rag, clean that area at least once a month, and then even like that might have been from a spider, a little stain from a spider. Um, Clean this area so that when people walk in, they don't see dust bunnies, right? But clean it at least once a month if you can't do it once a week. And keep these areas clean. Get you a mop. If you're not a rag person, if you're very like, oh girl, I can't do that, that's okay. That's who you are. Get a rag, get a mop, get a Swiffer, something, and clean these areas, the border areas, because people pay attention to them when you're you know, when people are at your home, and you notice it when you come in. And again, these are one of those areas that get a lot of dust bunnies. So clean these up at least once a month if you can't do it on a weekly basis, right? I have a restroom when you first come in my house. So, of course, I want this area to be clean. I'm not one of those people who have people running in and out my house all the time, so I could kind of get away with it maybe every 2 weeks. But again, I notice a lot of little dirt, that maybe someone else doesn't, but that's just who I am. But again, clean those areas. And it just helps keep down dust in your home, okay? We all get it. But again, you want to keep away the dust bunnies. Get down and dirty at least once a month and clean your foyer area with a rag. And again, you do not have to buy expensive cleaning materials. Get some vinegar and water. Get a couple of lemons. Squeeze the lemon inside the water bottle that you're going to use, squirt bottle, whatever you're going to use to clean. A little spray bottle from the dollar store will work, right? It'll suffice. And mix those together, some distilled vinegar, white vinegar, with some warm water, cold water, do you, and clean these areas, and you'll be happier because it'll cut down on the dust bunnies on a weekly basis. So again, get this bottom crown molding, keep your house clean, and I'll give you guys some more tips next week. I'm going to start talking more about cleaning your house because it's not spring yet, but for me, I'm already starting to do some areas that a lot of times I overlook. I'll vacuum and forget to clean the foyer area. And so again, get you a rag, get you a mop, do you, and clean these areas at least once a week, but at the most once a month, right? Keep the dust bunnies away, keeps your kids and your fur babies from sneezing so much. And again, always remember to keep chemicals locked up away from your fur babies, and definitely your human babies, right? And keep them safe. And so if you can use a lot of chemical free solutions to clean your home, that works better. But do you again. And I'm just saying so you don't have to break the bank. So again, my name is Demetria. I go by Money Meat. I love cleaning my home. I love decorating. So I thought, you know what? Of course, I represent digital products all day, every day. And ebooks, right? They make money. But I thought, do what you love, the money will come, okay? So I want to start teaching you guys. For those of you, you may not have been taught how to clean your home, right? And you don't have to be great at it. You just have to start somewhere. This may be right there. That might be like a spider web. It is. And so that's why I'm saying clean your house at least once a week. Get rid of the dust bunnies. It could be dust, but it might have been a spider web. I'm not sure. But this is when you first enter my home, right? And so you want to keep this area clean. So when people do come over, because listen, people do look at your floors and they do look at your crevices and your cracks. And when people are using your restroom, that's what they're looking at while they're sitting down, killing time while they're using the restroom. So keep your floors and your floor borders clean. Again, my name is Demetria. I go by Money Meat. I'll give you guys some more tips and tricks, just simple solutions on ways to keep your home clean, affordable ways to, you know, keep your house clean. This is what I love. This is what I do. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for the follow. Hit those buttons, subscribe, all of them for me, y'all. It helps me out. Thanks. Love you guys. Thanks for showing up. And I'm going to always show up and show out, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.